how to set up your first grid bot. In this video, we will dive deeper into grid bots and how you can set up your first grid bot completely without any experience in coding and also no experience with Pionex. This is a beginner-friendly video. So welcome guys, welcome to another video. My name is Crypto June and I'm in crypto since 2017. I found out about grid bots through another YouTuber. This guy was able to turn $4,000 into, yes, $1 million. And he did this completely transparent and he tracked everything. So I was so amazed, like, hey, how can this guy turn $4,000 into 1 million? And I didn't even try it myself. So I thought, let me try it myself, but also make a video about it because many more people want to know about Pionex. And if they don't know it right now, they will know about it in the future. So what are the topics of this video? The first topic is, why are grid bots so effective? How do they work? And why they give so much profits? For who is this video? This video is for specific people inside the crypto niche, and I will tell you exactly if you are that person. I want to tell you a little bit about my personal challenge because I accepted a challenge for myself, like, hey, if this guy can do this, I want to try the same. Which areas are the most profitable inside the chart for grid bots? And also, of course, how to set up our first grid bot completely beginner friendly. So if you're curious, keep on watching and let's start with the first topic of this video. And the first topic of this video is, why are grid bots so effective? So first of all, so what is a grid bot? So to tell you what a grid bot is, we need to go and dive deeper into this chart. This is the Solana chart on the daily, so we can see a clear overview of the complete chart. I did a little bit setup already, which on the right side you can see the lower range is 92 and the higher range is 140. And what it does is, it's set up lines inside the chart, as you can see. And all of these lines are grids. It can be 40, it can be 100, it can be 200, it can be 5. It can be any amount that I think is smart. So let's dive deeper into this. We can see that a grid is a line. And each line of the green area is a buy. So this means that I will buy Solana when the price is dipping in this area, but I will also sell in the same area as the green one when the price moves up. So it is like it goes down, it's set up and automatically a sell order also a little bit higher. So when it dips and it pumps again, we make a wave like that. And each wave, the bot will automatically buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell small amounts. And once it breaks out of this range, so when it breaks above 140 or break below 92, the bot will stop doing any transactions. So the most amount of money will be made in a specific range when we are going sideways. And this is just in short a grid bot. But a grid bot goes way deeper than that. So in short, a grid means a line inside the chart, and a grid bot means that the bot is buying and selling in a specific area. And I think this is very nice because we don't have to watch the chart all day. We just need to find strategies that are working for ourselves, that we think, hey, if I am buying in this range and I expect a bounce, my grid bot can make money for me. But why are grid bots so effective? The most effect will come in a sideways market. Why? Because then we will hit the most amount of grids from the downside, but also from the upside. Because if we go like this sideways for a specific period. Another example is this Bitcoin chart. We did go sideways for 6 months. And if my grids were set up in this range, I would have made a lot of money. And I didn't make that money because I was still trading in the old way. And the old way is, hey, we have this yellow line here. This is the upper area. This is the bottom area. And every time when we touch it, I'm selling, I'm selling, I'm selling, I'm selling. And every time when it touched the bottom, I would have bought. I would have buy. And with that, I have made money in this range. But everything in between, as you see, sometimes it didn't hit my buy order. Then I wouldn't have made any money. And do you get what I'm saying here, right? Grid bots are so effective because they are trading the whole range of sideways. And yes, we cannot predict if something goes sideways. But another example that is quite nice to do right now during this market is we are going sideways right now. Nobody knows if we goes up or down. But what I really think could happen is if we go lower, I want to buy more Bitcoin, right? But if we go higher, I have my bags. I don't need to do anything. So what if I set up a grid bot inside this area on Bitcoin and all my grids will buy when the price dips, and when we go higher again and we see it pump again back to 100K, then I'm super happy because I'm still holding the bag and I've traded inside that range. And that is why grid bots are so effective in this market. For who is this video? This video is for not new people into crypto, because you need to understand charts. But people with a little bit of experience into crypto can be enough, because we have two options here. The first one is you find out your own grid bot, you set it up yourself because you have the knowledge of charts to find areas where you think it can be useful. Or if you're a little bit newer into crypto, I have something for you. As I mentioned, I am doing a challenge myself. I'm in crypto since 2017, so I want to share my knowledge to you. And also, if you want to follow my journey in general, this is also something for you. There is a link inside the description which guides you to a Telegram group. This Telegram group, as you see right here, is a group where I share my videos about grid bots and everything. If I find out a specific area for a nice grid bot or a project where I think, hey, this is an opportunity, I will share it in this group. If you want to follow my journey and catch up some tips and tricks, this is your group, guys. But let's continue. The third topic of this video is my challenge. And hold on, I will tell you soon how to set up your first grid bot and how you set up everything. But my challenge, I saw another YouTuber. This guy was able to turn $4,000 into $1 million completely transparent by day-to-day tracking. So what I did myself was I made a sheet with the day numbers, what was my start balance, what is the start balance after this day, how much profit we have and everything. I started with $10,000 on my Pionex account. I deposited $10,000. I invested already 4,000 of it into Kaspa. It was my first buy, 2,000 straight away and 2,000 into grids inside the chart. And based on that, my goal is to track everything. First, I'm gonna try it for 30 days, but I found out that the market is quite boring right now. The market is going sideways. We don't see specific moves yet, so that's the reason I'm only down $2. But if I click on the total profits, what do I see? The grid profits gave me already $13 in only 3 or 4 days, which means that we earned $13 on $2,000 on the grids, and the only $16 we lost was of price movement, so we are still $3 down, but it doesn't matter. So I'm doing this challenge and I want to do it together with you, because I really think it's important if you do a challenge to be transparent so everybody can see what you're doing and make their decisions for themselves. I also talked with Pionex and I said like, hey, I want to do this challenge. I'm using your platform, but I want to do something back for my community. And I said, I want to give people the opportunity for a bonus. And this bonus I want to give them inside my videos. So there's a link. If you think grid bots are interesting, or you're thinking about starting a grid bot challenge yourself, or you want to join the same challenge as me, there's a link inside the description which guides you to Pionex. And if you deposit $100, you get $100 completely for free. If you deposit $1,000, you get $500 for free. And if you deposit $10,000 into the grid bot, you are able to claim $1,000 for free. So it's like a 10% bonus, and here it's even 50% bonus by just using a simple link. Before we tell how to set up your own grid bot and how to customize it with the best details, I want to show you what are the best areas for grid bots. As I showed you before, this was a perfect setup for a grid bot. And why? Why? Because first of all, we saw a pump, And after the pump, we can say like, hey, this will be the top of our area, and which is our downside. So I'm looking for an area where is a lot of support. We saw here was resistance multiple times inside the chart. We saw also here that it had some resistance. Then we had our first confirmation, so which gave us another confirmation like, hey, our area can be very good. So this is a good area for grid bots. Is there something else? Yes. I also think, as I said before, that this area right now, the previous support, and also we can see here that is a lot of support and resistance. So I want to find grids inside this area. In case we have a break to the upside straight away, I just have some profits. But if we see first a correction to the downside, it means that our bot can buy. And once we have the bounce, because nothing goes down in one straight line, unless it is a specific project. But Bitcoin and the high caps are not going down to zero in 1 second or 1 day. So then we make a lot of profits because we are buying and we are selling. We are buying, we are selling. Also inside Solana, we saw several good setups. Let me zoom in. Looking at the Solana chart, there was also a good setup here. Yes, we saw a huge pump. We had the same. We put it as our top. And then the previous support and resistance here was our bottom zone. And as you see, for almost 6 months straight, this was the perfect setup for a grid bot, because we had our top area, we see a dump, which is buy. And then when it goes up, it is sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, buy, sell, sell. So this is a perfect setup. And yes, grid bots don't cost you a lot of time. It only costs you maintenance. So you need to keep an eye on the chart. Like, hey, is my bot still inside the range? Yes. Okay, fine. If it's out of the range, we need to find new areas for setting up a new bot. So once it breaks above it, we cannot set up it straight away, because we need to find where is our top area, and we don't know it yet. Okay guys, we're getting now to the final part of this video. How to set up our first grid bot. I told you about Bitcoin, and I told you about potential good area for Bitcoin. So let me go to Pionex. We go to here, and inside Trading View, I'm using Trading View because it gives me a little bit of a clearer and wider overview than this smaller screen. But as I saw before, 74K is our bottom zone. So we do $74,000, and our top area is 92K. 92,000. Amount of grids, we can click on recommended. It gives us 68. The higher amount of grids, it means that the smaller amount of buy for each grid. So if you do only, as an example, 10, it gives you only a buy here and a buy here and a buy here, but with a higher amount. But we want to have a little bit more, so I do 40. Investment amount. I have already 4,000 in Kaspa. I will do $2,500 here with a leverage. Don't over leverage yourself, because the more leverage you use, the faster it goes. I'm only doing right now 5 because it's Bitcoin, it's a main currency, and I want to take a little bit of risk here. But I don't suggest to use anything higher than 5 for yourself. So we have some other settings also at the downside. We can see take profits. This means when to take profits when the price is reached. So we can say like, hey, if we reach 92K, the bot will stop working and take out the complete value of the bot. As an example, everything that was bought and still in hold, it will sell everything at 92K. We have stop loss, so when the price of 74K is reached, do we want the bot to just stop by just not buying anymore, or do we want to sell everything to avoid any future losses? It's completely up to you, and also completely up to your own strategy. Grid mode, this can be arithmetic and geometric. What does it mean? It means, what we can read here is like each line is in the same category, each have the same distance. But also what we can read is, but geometric means that the price change between the grids are the same in percentage, like 1, 2, 4, and 8. And which one is more useful? So arithmetic mode is more useful in a bullish market, while the geometric mode is more useful in a bearish market. And I think right now we are not in a super bullish market, so I'm using geometric right now, because I expect that we can see still a smaller correction before we go higher. I click on create, it gives me a clear overview of, hey, how does the distribution look like? So 14% of the border goes straight away into Bitcoin. 55% is in USDT, ready to buy when the grids are activated, and the reserved investment is on the sideline depending on the future of the price. We can see investment $2,500, actual investment $1,700, extra margin, estimate liquidity price, and leverage 5. We click on OK. Now we have successfully placed our Bitcoin Grid Bot. Again, guys, I hope you learned something in this video about grid bots. Don't forget, we have our Telegram group where I share all my insights about the grid bots, what my strategy is. I will share for free also my strategy with you. So don't forget to go to the Telegram group and follow my challenge, to join the challenge together with me. And I see you there. And don't forget about the Pionex deposit bonus with up to 100% of your deposit amount. Check it out, guys. See you there. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to place a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.